Making your writing shine. Harnessing the power of linking verbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and powerful tool in English writing, the linking verb. Not only will we delve into what these are, but we'll also discuss how you can use them to improve clarity and coherence in your writing. So, let's dive right in. Linking verbs, unlike action verbs, don't express action. Instead, they connect the subject of a sentence to more information about that subject. Think of them as equal signs, smiley face, because they link or connect the subject with more details. Common linking verbs include forms of be, such as is, are, was, were, and others like seem, become, appear, feel, look, sound, and taste. For example, in the sentence, she is a teacher. Is a linking verb that connects she with a teacher. Linking verbs are essential tools for improving the clarity of your writing. They help give a clear picture of what you're talking about by providing more information about the subject. For instance, instead of writing, Mary, a tall girl, walked into the room, you could write, Mary is tall. She walked into the room. The second sentence uses a linking verb, is to clearly state that Mary is tall, enhancing the clarity of your description. Linking verbs also contribute to the coherence of your writing, or how smoothly your ideas flow together. They can be used to make transitions between ideas smoother, helping your reader follow your thought process more easily. Consider this example. John was feeling sick. He didn't go to school. Instead, you could use a linking verb to make these two sentences more coherent. John, feeling sick, didn't go to school. To get a better understanding of linking verbs, let's practice rewriting some sentences. Take, Lisa, a fast runner, won the race. We could rewrite this as, Lisa is a fast runner. She won the race. Here, the linking verb, is, helps clarify the subject, Lisa, and makes the writing more coherent. Remember, practice is key in mastering the use of linking verbs. Try to rewrite some sentences on your own, using linking verbs to increase clarity and coherence. And that's a wrap on linking verbs. They might seem simple, but they're incredibly powerful tools for elevating your writing. We hope that now you not only understand what linking verbs are but also how to use them to improve the clarity and coherence of your writing. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using linking verbs like a pro. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.